How to not get logged out of your Google account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Gmail application. Once you do, simply log in with your account details and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. After that, go to Google account. Here you will see the option of security. Click on it and scroll all the way down and click on recovery email. Here firstly you need to verify your identification. So simply provide your phone password or the pattern that you are using. After that, enter the email which you want to use as a recovery email if you lost a connection to your Gmail account. And then after you will receive 6-digit code in your email. Enter that and click on verify and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.